Ever felt overwhelmed while trying to create a business plan? The blank pages staring back at you, the cluttered thoughts in your head, and the sheer magnitude of the task can be daunting. It's like trying to assemble a 1,000-piece puzzle with no picture as a guide. Enter the entrepreneur's blueprint. Imagine a compass in the wilderness, a lighthouse in the storm, or a roadmap on a cross-country journey. That's what this comprehensive guide is to aspiring entrepreneurs. It's a step-by-step guide that walks you through the process of creating your business plan, simplifying the complex, and making the daunting manageable. Picture this. You open the first page of the entrepreneur's blueprint, and there you find a clear, concise outline. It's not just a list of headings, but a detailed map, marking the path from where you stand now to where you want to be. It's a plan that breaks down the mammoth task into bite-sized pieces, making it easier to tackle, one step at a time. As you turn the pages, you're not just reading a book, you're embarking on a journey from confusion to clarity, from uncertainty to confidence. With every chapter, you're not just learning, you're growing. With every section, you're not just planning, you're building not just a business plan, but a vision, a strategy, a future. And as you reach the final page, you're not just closing a book, you're opening a door to a future where your business idea is no longer just a dream, but a clearly defined plan, ready to be put into action. So why remain lost in the wilderness when you can have a compass? Why face the storm alone when you can have a lighthouse? Why embark on a journey without a roadmap? Start your journey towards clarity with the entrepreneur's blueprint today. Because every great venture starts with a great plan, and every great plan starts with the entrepreneur's blueprint.